Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate on how to add floor loads to your frame model. The way to do that is to click this button and then declare the properties of the slab. You have to declare the thickness of the slab because the weight of the slab will be calculated as part of dead load. You also have to declare the pressure load on the slab, and you also need to declare if it's a two-way or one-way slab. Now after you're happy with these properties, then click the location of your slab. Now FrameCE will guide you the where you can create the slab. So this will be highlighted by the program as you move your mouse cursor. So if I click this area here, then a slab will be created and the floor loads transferred to the beams is shown. Now this is a rectangular slab, so the longer span will have a trapezoidal load and the shorter span will have triangular load. Now I can continue creating these slabs by just clicking on the area where the slab is located. Now I will also show here on how to create a one-way slab by changing the slab property and then clicking the location of the slab. Now as you can see here, because this is a one-way slab, the loads transferred are only to the two beams. Now by default, FrameCE will assume that the load direction is along the shorter span, but you can change this by editing the slab property. Now I want to show something here. Now what you can see here are crosses and line. This crosses means that the slab is two-way. So because this slab for example is two-way, so it will indicate it will show a cross, and because this slab is one-way, it will show a single line, and this line shows the direction of the slab load. Now if you hide this slab by clicking this button, the model will show the values of the pressure loads. It shows here that it's 10 kilopascal. Okay, now you can change the property of the slab by clicking this button and then selecting the slab that you want to edit. Say for example, I will change this slab. I will change this slab from two-way to one-way. Okay, and you can see here that it's now one-way slab. Now I can also change the direction of the one-way slab by editing the slab. Click this slab, and then currently this is one way, and then if I want to change the direction of the load then I just have to click this button, change load direction. As you can see here, the direction of the one-way load changes, and you can also change this back to two-way, as you can see here. So it's very simple with FrameCE. And there is another way of creating a slab, which is a clever way I just develop the algorithm. Now you can create slab by selecting a beam and then clicking this button and then declaring the properties of the slab and then click OK. See here? Now what happened is that I click this beam here. I click this beam here, and since this beam can have slabs on two sides, one here and one here, so when I click this beam and created the slab, then FrameCE automatically created two slabs because this beam can have two slabs to support. Now what this means is that this is a clever way of creating a slab, because if I want to create to add floor loads or slab for the whole floor, for example, I'll just have to select all the beams in first floor and then click this slab loads button and then declare the slab properties and then click OK. So FrameCE automatically creates all the slabs in the whole floor. So again, what this means is that you can create the whole slabs of the whole building in one click by selecting the whole building and then clicking this button and then declaring the slab properties and then click OK, and FrameCE will create all the slabs in all floors. So what you can see here is that it's very easy to create or add floor loads in FrameCE. Now what I have shown until now is in dead load. So if I want to add the pressure load in live load, then what I need to do is go to live load case and then declare the loads, the pressure loads for live load. Say I will click this button, edit floor loads, and then select slabs. I can also select slabs one at a time, as you can see here, like this. So either way, you can select slabs one at a time or by group and then declare the pressure load and then click OK. Now what you can see, the live load has been added. Now you can also delete slabs if you want to by clicking this button, choose delete slab, and then select the slabs you want to delete, or you can select by window and then click OK, and now deleted. Now I hope you learned something from here, and I hope you appreciate that FrameCE's floor loads modeling is very simple, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me and have fun.